Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning Center, where learning English is simple, fun, and stress-free. I'm Jessica.
Hello, Jessica, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It feels so good to be back with you again today.
It's great to see you, Mike. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a really calm and quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great, and honestly, I'm very, very excited about our topic today.
Oh, yes, this is a topic that so many English learners ask about. It's connected to a very big feeling.
A big feeling? Okay, now I'm curious. What is it?
Today, we're talking about a common problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak it.
Ah, yes, Mike, that is the number one problem. I hear this from learners all the time.
Me too. People often say I can watch movies and listen to podcasts, but when I try to speak, my brain just stops.
Exactly. The words completely disappear.
And everything feels stuck.
Yes, it feels like your voice is locked. But today, we're going to share powerful and practical tips to help everyone unlock their English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very, very important episode.
It really is. But before we begin, we have a small friendly request for everyone listening.
Yes, we do. If you're enjoying this podcast and learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps Mr. English Learning Center grow and helps other English learners find us.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center so you never miss our new episodes. Thank you so much. Your support truly means a lot.
All right, Mike, I'm ready. Your voice is locked. How do we find the key?
Okay, Jessica, what's the first key?
The first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen? But I already understand English. Isn't that enough?
Understanding is wonderful. It's step one. But now we need to move from passive listening to active listening.
Passive to active. What does that mean?
Passive listening is when English is playing in the background while you're doing other things, cleaning, driving, or cooking. You understand it, but you're not fully focused.
Ah, yes, I do that a lot.
Active listening is when you listen carefully and repeat what you hear.
Oh, so I hear a sentence and then I say it out loud.
Exactly. There's a great technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Yes, exactly like that. You become the speaker's shadow. You listen and repeat at the same time.
At the same time? Wow, that sounds difficult.
It can be, so start small. Listen to one sentence, pause, and then repeat it.
Listen, pause, repeat. Okay, I can do that.
And when you feel confident, you can speak along with the speaker. It's okay if it's not perfect.
I see. I'm not just hearing English, I'm creating English. I'm practicing the sounds and rhythm.
Exactly, Mike. The music of the language. It trains your ears and mouth to work together.
That's a great first tip. What's next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode, like a secret superhero power.
Yes, exactly. It's a time when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? That's hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can train it. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? People might think I'm crazy.
You can do it when you're alone. Just narrate your day.
You mean say what I'm doing?
Yes. For example, I'm making coffee. I need a cup. Where's the milk?
Oh, I can do that. I'm sitting in the studio. I'm talking to Jessica. I'm happy.
See? You're already doing it. Great job. It feels silly at first, but it's powerful.
Why is it so powerful?
Because it forces your brain to find words. You're producing English, not just understanding it.
Ah, so my brain has to work. It's practice for real conversations.
Exactly. Just 5 minutes a day is enough.
Okay, I'll try it. Shadowing and talking to myself. But Jessica, what if I don't know the words and I get stuck?
Great question. Tip number 3, stop memorizing single words.
Stop learning words? That sounds scary.
I mean, stop memorizing long word lists. Instead, learn chunks.
Chunks? Like a chunk of cake.
Yes, but language chunks are groups of words, ready-made phrases.
Oh, like that's a good point.
Exactly. Or, you know what I mean?
These are like shortcuts for fluency. I don't have to build sentences.
Yes, they help you sound natural and give your brain time.
I love that.
Now, the most important tip. You must speak every single day.
Every day? Jessica, I'm busy and tired.
Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Consistency matters.
So 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week?
Much better. Speaking is a skill. It needs regular practice.
But who do I talk to?
You can talk to your phone.
My phone doesn't answer me.
Use the voice recorder. Record yourself speaking.
I don't like my voice. I'll hear my accent.
Your accent is not bad. It's you. Mistakes are okay.
So I'm my own teacher.
Yes, and there's no pressure at all.
Okay, scary but useful.
Another fun way is role-playing.
Like acting?
Yes, pretend you're at a restaurant or airport.
And I talk to the wall.
Yes, or your pet. You can play both roles.
This actually feels fun.
It trains your brain so you don't freeze in real life.
Freezing, that's the biggest problem.
Exactly. And now the biggest fear, mistakes.
I'm afraid people will laugh.
Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? That sounds strange.
Mistakes mean you're brave. Fluency comes after mistakes.
So the goal is communication, not perfection.
Exactly.
That removes so much pressure.
And finally, practice responding. Conversations are two-way.
So I train my reply speed.
Yes, listening is passive, responding is active.
Everything connects now.
The English is already in your head. These tips move it to your mouth.
Jessica, this was incredibly helpful. I feel confident now.
You can speak, Mike, and you already do.
Let's review quickly.
Great idea.
Tip 1, shadowing. Tip 2, English mode. Tip 3, chunks. Tip 4, daily practice. Tip 5, record your voice. Tip 6, role play. Tip 7, make friends with mistakes. Tip 8, practice responding.
That's a powerful plan.
Thank you so much, Jessica.
You're very welcome. Thank you all for listening today.
Remember, understanding is great, but your voice creates connection.
Speak every day, even imperfectly. That's how fluency begins.
Before you go, subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center, like this episode, and share it with someone who feels stuck.
And tell us in the comments, which tip will you try first?
We love reading your answers.
Thanks for joining us.
Keep practicing.
Bye-bye.
See you in the next episode.